This video will help you write a body paragraph for your Gothic Elements essay. As you know, you'll need to do 3 body paragraphs, and I chose to do this body paragraph about the Gothic element of decay. Of course, you'll be writing about Gothic elements that you put in your introductory or topic paragraph. Our paragraph starts with a topic sentence. One example of a Gothic element is decay, which can be seen as the rotting, aging, or weathering of a setting or character's physical or emotional state. This not only tells us the Gothic element that we'll be writing about or reading about, it also defines it. Next, we have our first big idea. In The Raven, the narrator states, "And my soul from out that shadow that lies floating on the floor shall be lifted nevermore." You see the author's name, Poe, and the stanza, 18. That sentence gives an example of the Gothic element being used. The next sentence gives an explanation of how that example meets our criteria. This example shows how the narrator's mental and emotional state has decayed since the loss of his love, Lenore. The next sentence is another big idea in this paragraph. In desperate days in Blue John Canyon, Aaron Ralston shared that when he began to cut off his arm, he knew that his smashed arm had begun to decay. So Aaron Ralston gave us a definite example of physical decay, and he also stated that he had lost hope, which is an example of mental decay or the deterioration of his mental state. And that is an explanation of how the Gothic element functioned in that piece. Our final sentence ties the paragraph back together. The Gothic element in the poem and the documentary emphasize the mood of each piece. And so this shows how the Gothic element functions in this setting. So when we look back at our checklist, did we introduce the Gothic element? Yes, we said we'd be using the Gothic element of decay. Did we use and explain an example from The Raven? Yes, we did. We used a specific phrase from stanza 18. Did we use and explain an example from Edgar Allan Poe's life? No, but we didn't have to. We only have to use 2 examples per paragraph. Did we use and explain an example from Desperate Days in Blue John Canyon? Absolutely. So we have satisfied all the requirements for a body paragraph. I look forward to reading yours.